Hello everybody, I hope you all are safe and fine. In the last videos, we discussed about the first chapter of history, the nationalism in Europe. In this session, we will start the first chapter of economics, that is development. Now, what is development? Development, every individual, community, state, and nation has different idea about development. According to some people, making of roads is development. If a school is made in a village, it's a development for them. So basically, we can say development is an idea. This idea can be of individual or any country. For an individual, development can buying a house or a car. Development for country may be making the people of nation educated or making the defense system strong. So from this point, I want to clear you that what are the ideas or issues related to development. Development varies from person to person. Idea of development are different of different person. Means something can be development for you, but it will not be development for other person. This was the basic introduction of development. Further, we will discuss what development promises different people's different goals. As we discussed earlier, the idea of development varies from person to person, which we can say from our heading different people, different goal. Let us take some example. Farmer. What is the development for a farmer? According to farmer, better irrigation facilities and good price for his crops will be the developmental goal. For businessman, development can be tax benefits. Farmer has no link to tax benefit, means idea of farmer and businessman varies. Next is tribal community. Developmental goals may be the banning of construction work in their area. For us, development may be more construction, but for tribal people, dam construction can be their destruction. After construction of dam, the people of tribal community have to migrate to other place, so idea of development varies. We were thinking that if there will be construction of dam, we get electricity, better irrigation facilities. So for farmers and businessmen, this was a development. But for tribal community, thinking of displacement, which is destruction for community. So notation of development is different for different people. What may be development for one may not be development for other. It may be destructive for other, as we have discussed the example of farmer, business and tribal community. So I hope you are clear with the heading what development promises different people, different goals. Our next topic is income and other goals. Goals other than income. When we set our developmental goals, we set some other goals like equal treatment, freedom, and security. For example, if someone is working in a company, he is not getting equal treatment. It can be on the basis of caste, religion, gender, but he is getting the salary on time. Does he able to continue his job? According to me, he will not be able to work in that condition. He will feel exploited. These things are not visible. These cannot be measured, but they mean a lot in lives. For development people look at mix of goals, means with development we also check many other criterias like working conditions, salary, security, personal satisfaction and many other. Development criterias can be conflicting from person to person. This was about income and other goals. Now, what is notion for national development? As we discussed earlier, that individual have different notions for individual goals as development. So it is clear that the idea of national development varies from person to person. We can say individuals seek different goals, then their notion of national development is likely to be different. For example, some will say if corruption stops, the country will develop. Some will say by improving education system, the nation will progress. Means every person has different notion for development. Then how to decide what is best? For this, we use some ideologies of some philosophers like greatest benefits to greatest people. means the government seek the development in which maximum benefit be given to maximum people. So greatest benefits to greatest people. There are many questions which are debated by government of different nations for national development, in which governments check the maximum benefits for people of nation. So I hope you are clear with these topics. In the next video we will discuss about how to compare different countries. This was all about today. Students, I hope you all are taking precautions from COVID 19. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.